Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we're going to see 3465 East Terra Cove Court. Beautiful home with a pool. Let's take a look. This two-story great room with fireplace and built-ins leads directly back into the kitchen and the dining room. You'll enjoy entertaining large groups in this custom kitchen with island, stone, and beautiful gas cooktop. This sunroom creates a great space right off the kitchen and a great view of the pool. The owner suite has great access to the patio and the pool, plus a spa bath. One of my favorite features of this flexible home plan is the upper level loft. It overlooks the gallery on either side, creates a good media space or play space or study space for the bedrooms upstairs. The upper level bedrooms, all three have access to a bath. This is Jack and Jill, and the other bedroom has a dedicated suite. I love the solid wooden doors throughout this house, and the third bedroom up has access to a finished bonus room, and that would be a great extra storage space, guest space, or possibly a study. The lower level has a recreation area that's finished, plus there's a bump out underneath the sunroom that walks out to a patio, and there's a finished space that could be a guest area, plus a full bathroom, all on the lower level. Now, most of the lower level walkout is finished, with the exception of this space that's an unfinished storage area. The back elevation of this home is gorgeous. It's all brick. You have a composite deck, beautiful patio. The pool is less than 1 year old, and the hardscaping for the patio and the fire pit is established and ready for a party. Thanks for touring 3465 East Terra Cove Court. My name is Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. For additional information, please call me at 812-360-5333 or find me at jeffsells.com.